Here's Frank. The fisherman is home from the sea. How did you go?
Mate, what a day. What a day.
Yeah.
Wow.
Did you catch some fish?
Beautiful in the morning. Absolutely stunning weather in the morning. Amazing, calm. Blew up in the afternoon. Bit of a rough ride home, but, you know, still not too bad. 15 knots west-southwest, but, you know, it was a good bit of fun coming home.
Yeah.
So I got some fish.
You did?
I got some fish.
Ooh, what did you get?
Fish.
Yay. Dinner's sorted.
Oh,
What did you catch?
snapper.
Snapper? All right. Love
Yeah,
some
what did we
snapper.
catch?
Love some fresh snapper.
Love some.
How big?
I'll get it out of here in a minute. Silly little buggers. Oh, God.
Oh dear.
There you go.
Holy cow, look at the big one.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So how big are they?
One was 62, the big one's 62, and the small one was 45. So no,
Wow.
that's not a bad effort for a day.
That's a great day.
That's my PB at that spot, 62. I've been chasing bigger and bigger there, so they keep going up. That's a good thing.
Awesome.
Means I'm doing much better. Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
great. Well
Not
done.
the biggest I've ever caught. The biggest I've caught, you know, was 9 kilos. In the old days, we everything was in how much it weighed, not how long it was. These days, it's all how long it is.
Yeah.
But anyway, I'm not even going to touch that line. I'm telling you now.
And that was a snapper? Just to change the subject.
Yes, it was a snapper. Yeah.
Yeah.
But that was 9 kilos or something back then. But anyway,
Yeah. Awesome.
not bad, eh?
Size does matter.
Size does matter. It
Yeah.
does.
Okay, they must be getting heavy.
Yes, they're getting a bit heavy. You know,
Toss them in the bag.
toss them in the bag.
Yep.
All right, I'm done.
And then I want to find out how we're cooking them. Most importantly.
How are we going to cook those?
Yeah.
I was talking to brother,
Yeah.
and he's been doing his fish in crushed salt and vinegar chips,
No
like
way.
a panko crumb. He reckons unbelievable. So I'm going to give that a crack. A bit of bloody crushed up salt and vinegar chips. I reckon that'll be the go.
Sounds good.
That'll be
Thanks,
the
Brother
go.
Dave.
Hey,
Thanks, Brother Dave.
brother Dave. Yeah.
That's excellent. And in the same vein, you'd probably wash it down with a
A nice rumbo.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, if you want to get, all classy and something, a nice bit of, shardy or something like that. Bit of the old shardy. Be alright with a bit of fish.
sounds good.
Yeah, sounds alright, doesn't it? Alright.
Like and subscribe.
I'm going to clean all this mess up.
Go.
Yep. And don't forget, 4xCCF. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay.